I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering devices and connecting the Xim Apex to your computer. This ensures stable data transfer. Once connected, open Xim Manager and confirm it shows the device. This verifies drivers and cable health. Make a backup of your current config before any overwrite, because you may need to restore settings. Also keep the firmware file ready in the same folder so you avoid interrupting the process. Interruptions during flashing can brick the unit, so stay focused and deliberate. You now switch the Xim Apex into bootloader mode using the Manager command or the device button sequence. This allows firmware to be written safely. Then choose the correct firmware. Bin file and, if available, verify the checksum to prevent corrupted installs. Hit flash and watch the progress indicator. This step can take several minutes. If you notice stalls, wait a few more minutes. Flashing can appear idle while writing critical blocks. Make sure to avoid USB hubs. Use a direct port. Once the flash completes, the Xim Apex will reboot. You should immediately confirm the firmware version in Manager so you know the update applied. After that, restore your exported config and recalibrate input settings like mouse smoothing, dead zones, and sensitivity to match your preferences. Test in a controlled menu or practice match. If the device fails to appear or behaves oddly, retry the flash on a different USB port or another computer. A second attempt often resolves transient driver or cable issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.